I called this meeting as the first son of the family. Mama's burial has come and gone. And I want to thank every one of us for the contribution towards the success of the burial. We all did well. It's a painful thing and now I have not been myself. Manandeba is any ozu, any honor. The only thing we owe Mama is to keep praying for her soul to do what? To rest in peace.
Amen.
So, Manazodiki Biabona, during the day of the burial, you people say I was running, in fact, everyone was running around. I was making sure they are fine. I was at the same time running around to see that rain. Let me not go there anyway. So I was making sure that everything was going well. Even coming to the canopy and everything. So let me go straight to the point.
Okay.
That day of the burial, this is Michael Umudim, where Mama is their secretary. They brought a very fat envelope. Umuada Ahiazu. They came here that day with a big goat. The goat is still there. Of course, with a very, very fat envelope as well. The CWO, where Mama is their treasurer, they brought money in our very before eyes. A very fat envelope as well. Ndị anya foka bịara ebe atụ oyi. Ndị ụmụada bịara ebe atụ oyi. So all those money that was realized from the burial, are you aware that as the first son of the family, I can't even account for it? Because that day I was telling my brother, this money that is coming left and right, you are meant to be keeping it on the table where we are writing the names of the people that. But I noticed that though he told me, no, we cannot keep it here. It's not good for us to leave the money on the table. Let him keep it in the bag beside him. And I said, okay, it's fine. But since then, I've been waiting for my brother to call me as the first son of the family and say, there he can now. This is the money we realized from it, and this is the list. I went down upon a phone to thank them. I went down and send appreciation message. But since then, NBC has not even come to tell me, my brother, how can we do or how is it? So that is why I'm calling this meeting. So I need NBC to tell us here how much.
That your mother, I will choke this hand inside your eye.
You shook hand inside my eye.
If I hear my name Pam inside, if you drop that line you want to drop, I will do this.
You shook your hand inside my eyes.
Vegetable.
NBC, are you mad? Are you mad? I'm asking you to tell me how much that was realized from Mama's funeral. You are telling me you shook your hand inside my eyes.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Because they've given you title now, Igbobian. Because all you do is smoke Igbo morning, afternoon, evening, and you don't think well anymore. When we were preparing for Mama's funeral, we had a meeting, we gathered in here. As a first son, what did you do? Did you contribute a penny in Mama's funeral? Did he contribute anything as a first son? Yeah. Now you want the money that was realized in Mama's funeral. You should be ashamed of yourself. The only thing you agreed to do that very day was to hold the ring. But I was looking at you. You gathered your Igbobian friends, the drunkard in this village, kind men. You people were doing incantation. And what's the happened that day? Rain fell throughout. Mama was buried inside flood, inside rain.
If you have sense,
you should be ashamed of yourself.
If you have sense, you will know that rain that fell that day was a blessing.
Showers of blessing.
Showers of blessing.
Showers. Yes.
By the way, it only rained for 4 hours. So.
Just 4 hours.
After the rain, what happened?
It stopped.
Comes the shine and the sun.
Like
Comes
Sunshine.
and the sun. After the sun comes the rain.
The rain shine.
The rain shine. Then just look at this food. Is it what we are talking about here?
Simple.
Here in Eku now, is it what we are talking about? You see, this boy have plans.
Exactly.
This boy have plans because I've been telling him what is really going on. That day he was just packing the money. This morning I just asked him before I called this meeting, how far the money? He said rain beats the book. Rain beats the book, but rain did not beat other things. There is only the book where you wrote the names of people that brought money.
Hi.
To see that he has ulterior motive. That money, you must bring it here and now.
One.
I told me know anything, no. You must bring that money.
Ikena, Igbobian, are you not the first son
Rain
of this
beats the
family?
book.
I'm asking you a question, Igbobian.
That is why I am demanding to account for the money. As the first son of the family, I'm demanding you account for all the people that brought money that day.
One.
As the first son of this family, Ikena, have you one day asked me, or even your sister asked us, how we have been taking care of Papa?
How? Hey.
Are you not aware that Papa is suffering from hypertension? He has high blood pressure. We have been taking our own father from one hospital to another. Have you one day asked how we have been paying his bills? All you want to know is how much you realized in Mama's funeral. God forbid. I reject you as a first. In short, you are a shameful first son in every family.
See, anybody that has seen him talk like this will think he's a good person. I've seen that you're purposely making me to talk too much. Because this thing you're saying now is not the bone of the contention. It's not the bone of the contention. Didn't Papa tell you that I bought Gbogbo Liche for him yesterday? Now?
Original one. Also Gbogbo Liche. Ogu.
And may go tag Gbogbo Liche. Konoma they go tag Gbogbo Liche. Because when they are saying people will think that he's not taking care of his father. Papa, don't call me. You're here and you're not saying anything. It's not Ikena. Talk to your son to account for the money. Let me stop talking like that.
Ikena, if anything happens to Papa, believe me, I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you.
My friend, shut up here.
We are talking about money, you're crying.
Why you telling her to shut up?
We are talking about money, you're
Ikena,
crying.
listen to me. Listen to me. Or in short, Ikena and his wife, the both of you. I know you want to buy Igbo. You dey smoke Igbo. You don't have money to buy Igbo now. You're asking for that money. You see that money? You will not see it.
You say I'm not saying that.
You will not see it.
You will bring
the money. Come on.
Please don't fight. You will bring the money.
You will not bring the money.
You will not me. Let it
You
you
bring your wife.
Let it
Bring it down.
It's okay. We are still having the meeting. You will bring it though. Vegetable and barley. Ogeti barley. It's okay.
You want to have anything? Emerun mess. What am I
You're making noise now. We are talking about money. You're crying. Let it go and move it.
Can you imagine this boy? Were you not the one I'm talking to? Were you not the one I'm talking to inside?
If you touch me again, see.
Come on, stand here. Are you mad? You're gonna want for Lala. I'm asking you, where is the money you realized for Mama's funeral?
How much did you contribute?
Don't ask me that question. Where is the money we realized for Mama's funeral? The money Umuada contributed. Where is it?
Do I look like your son?
You're very stupid.
No, do I look like?
Where is the money you people realized for Mama's funeral?
Which money? Which money? When we were planning Mama's burial, how much did you contribute?
How much you contributed? You must very stupid to ask me that.
How much did you contribute?
Where is the money Umuada brought to this house? The cows, all the goats, where are they? Where are they?
Leave me.
I think you're very stupid. If you're a criminal.
I will enjoy you. I will still beat you.
Come on.
Inheritance. He's fighting for his inheritance.
Are you mad?
Come on, Bonisi. Come, Can you make it stand? What is it? What is happening? Carry on.
Don't worry.
Come on, open it.
Bobia, you don't smoke it, Bo. You don't smoke weed all the time, you judge.
What is it? Open this door. Come on, open it. Open this door. This door.
Why are you locking your father
Open this door.
Open
Open this door. Papa, what's that? Open this door. How about you don't begin him on? Your biggie is locked inside here. Open this door.
Obi-Man cannot even beat him. It's like he has smoked all these greetings.
Isn't that the same thing I'm saying? This is a family. Where is the money some bad people contributed in this house? Have you seen it? Instead of to back his father up, he's locking me inside. Or the padlock here.
I cannot beat him. I cannot. His power is too much. I cannot beat him.
You cannot unlock it.
I cannot unlock it though.
Hey! Man. I don't know come up on this. Watch them also. Ndubisi. Okay, it's fine. If I got some better, you must bring it. You must bring it.
Open this door.
How about you
open this door?
There is nothing someone will not see in this village. Ikenna and his family seems to be going mad. Nezienu Somade. She has decided to follow her parents' way. I tried talking to her, but she wouldn't listen. Can you imagine Somade sleeping with that village drunk? Hey! That one that drinks himself to stupor and sees himself inside gota. Abaisi. Hey! That boy needs to GC. Oh, you're not with that jeba. Can you imagine? Can you imagine what somebody like eating? Go to my I'm going to ask go to a call. For instance, I don't get it. I will allow that smelling thing and all that which are there. Can you imagine to sleep with me? Fiakwa. People can eat cheat. Anyway, no problem. I tried though. I know I tried talking to her. I foresee danger. That is why I went to their house to advise her as a friend. But she chased me out with a bucket of water. I tried my best though. I tried talking to her as a friend. But no problem. At least I have my father's house. Let me go to my father's house. Only at least you're even so bad. Can you imagine? Hey!
This is so. Mama day searching for solution. Mama Jaleje in seek of 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 solution.
Somadna, my friend, wake up. This one you're sleeping by this time of the day. Somadna, I hope it's not what I'm suspecting. Ibrule. In my case, Akubo, Ibrule. You know, rumor has it that you've been sleeping around with Alokuti. I hope it's not what I'm suspecting.
Onyeka, what is this?
What is what?
What is the meaning of all this? Why did you wake me from my precious sleep?
Why are you sleeping by this time of the day?
What is your business?
Why are you sleeping by this time of the day? So you don't have anything reasonable to do in the house? Huh? Hey! Momsy? Momsy?
I think that you're shouting. I hope you've not smoked. Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting, my name? What is it?
Momsy, this girl is pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
What is this now?
You're pregnant!
Momsy, it's a lie. Onyeka is lying. I am not pregnant. I'm not seeing my flat tummy.
I'm lying.
Is it true? A terrible lie. I am not pregnant.
My friend, will you shut up?
I am not pregnant.
She was just throwing up over there. Come on, my friend, you threw up over there. Yes.
It's a throwing.
Aish. Somebody na. It's him Aish. Aish. Somebody is him Aish. Somebody na mo Aish. Hey! Ayo ko te mo somebody na him Aish. Ayo ko te mo. Somebody na you're pregnant.
I am not pregnant.
Somebody na you're. Hey! Hey! My enemies will laugh at me. Ogechi will laugh at me. They will laugh at me. Somebody needs him. Somebody now.
It's not Popsy. It's not Popsy that asked me to go and get a boyfriend. Me to the love of my life. You sweeting me and he's sweeting him. You're doing it and we're enjoying ourselves. I used to do it.
Wait. Ikenna, my own husband. Ikenna asked you to go and get a boyfriend. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Yes.
Hey! Somebody now!
Mom, sis.
When last did you see your... I want to be sure. When last did you see your monthly flow?
You mean menses?
Menses, yes.
It's not to 2 months.
Ah!
But it will still come out.
Hey!
It will still come out.
2 months.
Is that why people are screaming? Why you know it somebody comes out?
I'm screaming. I'm screaming. Okay, I'm screaming.
Come on.
I am only
Come on. Get out.
Hey! Ayo gutela sabelaru. Hey, Jimmy, mama. You see you. Stay here. You see, you're not going to bring any bastard to this house. You're not going to bring any bastard to my own house. You see that person that got you pregnant? You see that on your good I need Chichia. You must marry Anyagute.
I will not marry him.
You will not marry him. Look at me.
Come on.
See, I'll beat you. I'll beat you. I'll beat you.
You beat
Forget
me.
that twins, I'll beat you. It was beating me now.
Oh yeah, you must follow her, Mama. Follow her. This house, Ogechi. Oh, Mama. Ogechi will not laugh at me.
Seek a solution. Seek a solution.
I don't want to hear it. Let us go down your dirty mouth. That's what you meant. Onyana. Are you sure it's not here? It's here. Hey! Oh, compete. Hey! Somebody not compete. Oh, compete. You left this house. You left this mansion. Don't compete. Hey! Hey! Oh, you're coming his room. Show me his room. Hey! Where is his room? Inside. Enter my body. Hi. Oh, we're going back. Hi. Oh, we're going back. Oh, yeah. Come on, sit down. Oh, yeah. Hold it there. Pull it back. Somebody know where are the bed? Eh? Oh, where are the bed? Oh, where are the... Hi.
Look at where the man just eating with his spirit. You don't even have to flat body. You don't have pride as a woman.
Stop! Come on, have my phone. It's love. I'm not good. Somebody not good. It's love. I'm not good. So, where are we going to look for Anokute? The question is, where is Anokute? Where is he? Can everyone walk here?
Let's go. He must come and marry you. You will marry him.
You want to say you don't want to marry him?
You don't want to marry him.
But you open your legs.
And you open your business legs. It's love.
Can you talk? What is that idiot? Hey! Tomatina! The best way is part is that no bed. No bed. Oh yeah, enter here. Leave her alone. If you run, with the anger, better pray that you will see that idiot. You're opening legs. Leave her the fucker. I don't get that. I say, I don't get that. Idiot, you. I want the young man working. Look for him. You can even stand up, officer. Idiot. Of all the people, only you get sleep with his anufe. Come here. Don't move. I will kill you, idiot.
Do you know?
How far?
Anukute is nowhere to be.
Hey!
Huh? It's nowhere to be found.
Hey! Rumor has it that Anukute is from nowhere.
He's a ghost, Mama.
Hey!
He's a ghost. Do you know one thing that baffles me so much? Is that despite all the rumors that is going around this village, you went ahead and opened your leg for him. For that stupid boy.
Hey!
Huh?
Hey! So Martin, you have killed me. Anukute, no family member, no friends, no family, no relatives, nothing at all. And you went and opened your leg. Tomatina, you! Run after her!
Sorry, come here.
Sophia! Tomatina, you cannot run! You will get married to Anokute! Hey! Somatina! You told me 2 + 2 is 4. That you will give birth to 4. You're going to have that baby. You're going to have that baby in my house. So you're going to have that baby. In what I know, I know good of all people. Hey! Get the phone.
This is my life. Do we come different? Oh,
You have seen what you caused, right? Look at the condition you've landed your own daughter into. You advised your own daughter to start sleeping with men. Let me know this in Ikenna,
you better start looking for Anyokute. You better start looking for Anyokute. Because this girl is not going to deliver this bastard in this house. Never. She will not get Anyokute to marry her. If not, this house Amamba Munagi.
I told Anyokute that he's like, I'm pregnant. I suspect I'm pregnant. I don't know where he went to.
You don't know where he went to. He went one new place.
They are not good. Anyokute is nowhere to be found. He's nowhere to be found. I had Gelly, we have walked everywhere. looking for Anokute. He's nowhere to be found.
He has disappeared though.
He has disappeared nowhere.
He has disappeared though.
Look at
I've
this
looked for
girl.
him. It's your turn to go and look for him. Oh. Ikenna.
My own problem is that how can a responsible father advise his own daughter to start sleeping around with men?
Are you pregnant?
Yes, oh. Yes, oh.
Yes, oh. You're pregnant. Is this what I told you to do? Is this how I told you to do it? If you have contracted yourself, maybe it will not be like this.
Ikenna, you have the mouth to talk. Ikenna, come and take care of this. Come and take care of this. Don't you have to hear Ikenna?
Yes, come and take care of it.
Come on, keep quiet.
In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. In this life, you don't know who is
Look at what my father has cost me. God, what's my offense? What did I do? Of all parents in this world, why Ijoma and Ikenna? My word has finished. I don't even know where Anokute is. Oh my God, what do I do? Even if I find him, I will not marry him. I don't want to marry him. Oh my God. Oh my God.
and some are far from you, and what has not enemy. Very dangerous to perfect. Has not enemy. Very dangerous to perfect. Has not enemy. The worst enemy. They will pretend to love you. They will pretend to care for you. They are not better than devil. They are chameleons. They are not better than devil. They are wolf in sheep clothing. And when you can to steal, to kill, and to destroy. You can to kill, to scatter this family. And when you can to steal, to kill, and to destroy. Manama goga tanama, chukwe me peki fesoloso. You can to steal, to kill, and to destroy. Shame on you. You will never go unpunished. You get to steal. The way to kill and to destroy. In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. In this life, you don't know who is your real enemy. This is what you don't know who's your real enemy.
Mercy! Stop now, stop just walking up things. Stop now! Mercy!
Some are close to you, some are far from you. But if you household enemy, very dangerous to power. If you household enemy, very dangerous to power. Some are close to you, and some are far from you. And what household enemy, very dangerous to power. Household enemy,
Hey!
Somadna.
Somadna! Hear me?
I don't know.
What happened?
Hey!
What happened?
In this life, you don't know who's your real enemy. In this life, you don't know who's your real enemy.
Hey! We just buried Uzala and we are recording another death. Hey! What kind of family is this? What is happening?
How can a father be advising his own daughter to have a boyfriend? Oh!
Is it not obvious? No, is it not obvious that something is definitely wrong? It is obvious. It is obvious that it is not ordinary. Somebody is definitely after this family. We just buried Mama, right? Now look at Papa. Lying down, almost lifeless.
Hey.
Seriously sick. He cannot even stand on his feet. Now another one. Just let somebody again. And somebody will tell him it's not it's ordinary. Right?
Ndubisi, I disagree with you. It is that thing that Ikenna is smoking that is wrong with this family. That Igbo, his smokes will not make him think straight. Eh? How can a full-fledged man, a grown-up man that cannot do anything for himself, he can't even provide food for his own family, that resulted to stealing of food items? Eh? How can a full grown-up be stealing food items? Who is doing this to my family? God.
But how can somebody like Somadina be sleeping with no other person but Anu Okute? Anu Eru and Anu Anonenu. The other day I saw them together and I said Somadina Nwani Rere. Where are you? I told her to take it easy.
Well,
She didn't give a damn. And now this. Hey! Arrow.
well, tradition says that anyone who kills himself or herself will not be buried. Yes, that's what the tradition says. And such cause will be thrown into the evil forest.
Hey! Evil forest!
So in that case, we are not mourning her. We can't because I'm an arrow. Hey!
Samadina, oh. Samadina, fine girl, evil forest,
Hey! Hey! Chimo! So, this is how Somadina destroyed her life permanently. What kind of story is this, Biko?
Baby, why are you acting as if you want to join her? Do you want to join her? Were you not there when we were advising her to stop whatever affair she was having with that Onukute of a guy? But what did she do? She wanted us to mind our businesses. And we pocket our market, our mouth now. We pocket my mouth.
Pocket Giddy?
Yes!
Look at who is talking. Hey! Fiawa. Were you not the one supporting her against her own uncle and his wife? Yes! You see, I told you girls that all this come with grave consequences. If we go near no. You can never see anything bad in what she just said. You just keep supporting evil. In her support, evil. Fiawa. So what do Somadina, you know you are my good friend. Eh? I don't know. What happened to your once peaceful family and what are your parents doing? Thunder baborum geba. Watch against watch me. Let thunder scatter that mouth using the same peaceful. Kita. Now. Let thunder destroy it for me. Samadina, do you know what? You can insult me, but you can insult me because you are my friend. But no problem. But you know what? I will keep advising you. I will keep talking sense into you. I will keep talking to you. Chief advice. See, I'm just telling you the truth, though. If you like. Wait.
Why won't she insult you when you cannot learn how to mind your business?
Chief advisor.
When will you ever learn how to stop putting your mouth in matters that doesn't concern you? Miss Advisor, advise yourself first. It's necessary.
Mistake of a friend.
Me?
I don't blame you, Sha. No problem. You can insult me. You can insult me. It's so bad.
Somadna, what is your brother Onyeka doing about this whole thing?
Onyeka, I have not seen my brother Onyeka since morning. Ever since this problem began, I have not set my eyes on Onyeka.
You're joking, right?
How can I be joking? Joking what? Now my father Onyeka or him joking. So I have not seen him since morning.
No, are you serious?
What is serious? Onyeka careful. Smoking Igbo. What smoker? That is smoking Igbo without Obiora.
Cherikwa, you mean you saw my brother Onyeka?
I saw him now.
Smoking Indian hemp.
This is the only thing he knows how to do.
Mbakwa. Jide, mba, chere. Ige jide ku eba. Don't you ever better respect yourself.
I saw him smoking off his brain. I'm going to my father's house.
Be going. I'm just advising you people. Be going.
What are those two still doing in your father's house?
Gineke, you must be very stupid by asking that question. Yes! You will never see anything wrong in what Somadina and her parents are doing. Fighting over Nayokeke's house.
You are the one that is very stupid and mad. Tell me, when has one fighting for what is rightfully his a crime? Better tell me when.
Can't you use this your energy and advise her to stop it? Just it and
Jidekuya now. Don't try.
No. You know what? Ebere, go and hug transformer. Ebere, let me say it again. Go and hug transformer. See, let me tell you. My father inherited his late father's house. Wow. So, allow them to fight their fight in peace. It's none of a business.
Thank God though you said late. Yes. See, what I am trying to say is that Deikenna should allow his father to die first. Yes. Before he starts fighting over properties or anything. We should just allow peace to reign. That's a simple advice.
Auntie Madam Onyome. I will advise you now, to pocket this your nonsense mouth inside your bag.
Give me nonsense. See, Somadina, I know you are looking for wood to insult this morning, but I don't have time. I'm just advising you. It's just a simple advice. Just take it. Just take it.
Thanks and no thanks, Madam. But I still maintain. Keep that advice to yourself. You will not understand.
You will not understand what. Yes, because when all these things that is happening now will lead to something else, then we will now.
My friend, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Edit of you.
Deceiver, mango. Deceiver. Keep deceiving her.
Get out.
Deceiver.
Hey.
Gineke, manimeteria. Yes. You should have advised her. Yes.
Ha! Look at man now. I don't understand. Are you blaming me now? Have I ever supported whatever involvement she had with that drunk? Were you not there? Yes, I've always kicked against whatever she had with that boy. Yes, I tried in my own little way to stop it. Now you are blaming for what I don't know.
Flash off.
Somadi, what am I hearing? Because Iyanna no na son to you. That you are sleeping with Anu Okute, the drunk. The frozen one cause. That stinking fool. Now that waji apu.
Hey, Ebere. I will not have you insult the love of my life.
Ewe.
Now no. Let me even ask you. Of what business of yours is that?
This is true. So it's actually true that you're sleeping with Anu Okute, the village drunk. Because it's no longer a rumor, but pure truth. So Madina.
And I don't think I owe you any explanation, madam. I don't owe you.
Baby.
Hey, this is not.
No, so Madina. You know I used to have your back. But you see this one, you don't try. You metoria to fear. I know Okute kwa. And I saw go yi. Hey, yes, this.
Chekwa. Hey, Gineka. Magiwakwa. You that is supposed to have my back as my bosom friend. Ginika, I thought you were my friend though. You are my bestie, go on my bosom friend, go on my manchi. At this point now, you will support me because we are talking about the love of my life. If you are following Ebere to be against me, for what one?
I can't do that. Nobody.
Okay now, it's about the law now. Well, like I said before, it is nobody's business. Henceforth, so you're not gonna bag it. Even Magua, you know what we are now. No, follow me out.
We both advised Samantha to stop sleeping with that village drunk. But she was bluff. Now she's dead.
Guinea.
Hi.
I remembered how you used to support her in. Yes. You never saw anything wrong in whatever she does. Now she's dead. Don't worry, now sit down.
Wait, was I the one who advised? You want to start fighting me now?
You want to start fighting me too?
No, Ebere, let me ask you. Was I the one who asked Ebere to start sleeping with that village drunk? Yeah? Did I not ask her to stop whatever affair she was having with that boy? Why are you blaming me? I don't like it though. What's your problem?
Are you shouting?
No, I will not shout.
Are you shouting?
Don't let me slap you.
Look at who is talking. See, you are not a good friend. Ginika, I keep saying it. You are not a good friend. And even you used to advise this girl. She will not be doing all this nonsense that she's doing. You are talking nonsense now.
You've tried. Why didn't you advise her?
No, Eben. Hey, you know me now. I know the extent I tried talking sense into that girl, but she didn't listen to me. It's not my fault. She didn't listen to me. For you are not a good friend. I keep telling you. Yes. I remembered what Somadina did to me. When I went to talk her out of sleeping with that village girl. What did she do? This girl practically chased me out from their compound. Yes! So this girl would have emptied that bucket of water on me.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
Hey, but I'm sorry to say this though. That girl was so stubborn. She never listened to anybody's advice. Now she's dead.
My sister, me, I tried. I tried talking to her, but she didn't listen. I'm not them Kalusi. What do you just now? Seriously, I think she's here.
She's where?
She's around here. She's hearing what we are saying.
What's the problem now? What are you saying? What are you talking about? Which Somadina? See, let me tell you. Somadina's body will soon be thrown inside the evil forest. Yes. Now this will serve as a warning to all those girls going plum in this village, thinking nobody's seeing them.
Look at who is talking.
Before uncle.
This is my inheritance. As the first son, the hustle for job.
Have mercy on yourself now, eh? Ikena, what is this thing you're smoking now, eh? It's too much now. Reduce your hand. I'm going back to my husband's house. If you like, you take care of the family. If you like, you don't. Eh? Look at Onyeka. He's the only surviving child, though. Eh? Now he has taken after his father, smoking up and down round the whole village. After that, they will say someone is responsible. Eh? Please. One name, okay.
My friend, go now.
Reduce this thing. My brother and the please, take care of Papa for me, okay? Make sure you take care of him. Thank you.
Papa, good afternoon, sir.
How far? What is this I'm hearing? I'm just returning back from the site and now look, what is that? Ogini, what is that?
Somebody nice dead.
What? How? I mean, what happened? Somadina. What happened now? Hey, Salamu Chike. Nah, it's too much, Baba.
I just country.
But it doesn't make sense. You know, if I'm not a lawyer, you go. My mother, wow.
What's it be your guy now?
Onyeka, come. Umugo nke ọnwụ goro ore ka ma mara.
Alpha, bro. What did happen? Why you don't want to call like you cry? I know say you go get wetin dey bother you. But as it stands now, leave this one to the way your side first. Like we fit dey talk wetin dey happen.
See, let me tell you, this is not what you need now. Sure you get. People dey your house, they mourn. This is not time for shayo. You need to reason what is happening in your family. Sure you get. See, you feel be the messiah of your family. Because as things there now, you don't know who is next. This is not the time for smoke. Sure you get.
You don't dey talk too much. Leave this guy make you feel yourself. And when this thing now when you feel bring your head, calm down. I want smoke, well, guy. I want smoke so that I fit get that moral to enter my pop.
See, Onye, you are my friend. And whatever that bothers you, bothers me as well. Sure you get. So, me will put it together, reason this thing with your family. No be smoking time, no be smoking matter. Sure you get.
My God.
I did for you, and you know.
I hear you they talk about Messiah. I don't want to be Messiah. I won't be an enemy. I want the key. See this Igbo while they smoke right now, the only thing where they give me joy. As I smoke now, I get joy. I won't get that morale where we say I go feel enter my popsy. I won't enter that man. I swear if I don't enter that man, I will come out.
No smoke, damn blow.
This is so. My mama day searching for solution. Mama Jaleje is seek of solution. Mama Kakaleje. Mama Jaleje is seek of solution. Never Nakarazi back. Mama Jaleje is seek of solution. Mama Taga. Mama Jaleje is seek of solution. Never Nakarazi.
This one where you squeeze your face like my way no done, and you know they talk to us, you generally no come here. What's happen now? Onyeka.
Papa Nnukwu is dead.
What? How? I mean, what happened?
When will these come to an end? Every day by day comes with every story. And then put this is my life. It will come different. Oh,
So like this, so Onyeka, you mean see your grandpa don't buy like this?
Papa Nnukwu, my grandfather is dead. He died in his sleep.
So BP don't finally buy this man like that. This high BP don't finally wipe away this nice man like that.
My grandfather did not die as a result of BP. I am sure someone killed my grandfather.
Someone killed your grandfather? How? When?
Under 1 month, Abobi. Under 1 month, Madita Dagona, my family. And Ekuna, my grandmother, there are some Madina Dakwasankia. Ejimamo. Onyemona ya soropoto wa. Ebesi bimakwa somadina. Abruzie Papa Nnukwu. Child.
3 people don't must for my family, and you think say this thing a normal thing?
Nah, Onyeka, what you talk now true? I mean, under 1 month, 3 don't wipe for your family like this, so under 1 month, man, you get as it be. Well, for me, I would suggest you guys should take a step. Kuno malebe milisi banging no pure buggery. So you get. Because you get as it be now, you get as it be. From your grandmother to Somadina, from Somadina, your twin sister, to your grandpa now, where you call the Yanos like this, so.
What you want me to do now? We know they pray for our house. What you want me to do now? I want to know who they kill everybody for this house.
Onyeka, what you gonna happen be say? My elder sister, the one where they live for Nollywood, una go put body for that place, so. Sure you get. May the prophet, pray for you guys. Put eye for ground, know what they happen for your family. So maybe una go put head that kind side.
No problem. I've heard what you said. I will talk to my uncle and his wife about this. As for my parents, those ones, they rather stay and watch everyone die in that family.
Onyeka, my good friend, you guys to calm down. Because you don't want to see things now. I know say no easy for your side. You don't lose 3 people for your family. And at this point, you guys pipe low. Be observant. May you know where the arrow for the come.
As well, like I said, I will call my sister. If I call my elder sister, then she will send us the address. If I reach, I know her my phone, so if I reach house like this, I'll call my sister. She go send the address, give us, and the prophet's number. Make una try that side. Sure you get. I go put guys. You say market there now. If for reason you smoke, you go na about to come with me. Got that thing, man. Anyhow, guy, bring this light and one. Na kema go take it in can na there.
No, okay, now, but go there. What I go, calm down. Everything go do alright. The last you go. You might go. I think you see now. I'm married. Me say bang you pure buggery. They happy. Enjoy yourself. What I go. No, you know, like about. You understand?
Papa no.
You get as you day. Get as you be, man.
Papa no.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, wake up. Wake up. Onyeka is sweeping the compound. Onyeka is sweeping the compound.
Since when? Onyeka be sweeping the compound.
I just saw it now. I peeped from the window. Can't you hear that?
Maybe he has changed now. Maybe good spirit has entered him. So the local status has changed. So
Daddy, Onyeka is not that bad. Onyeka is not that bad. The only problem is he smokes.
You say so. Oh, you say so. Maybe he has changed now. My good God.
Onyeka now sweeps. You know I'm the only one that sweeps the compound. That's what happened. Yeah.
Jesus! I come against you! I come on fire!
You have no right!
Fire!
You're disturbing
I take authority over you!
Who the hell are you?
In the name of Jesus!
Who gave you the right?
In the name of Jesus!
How dare you?
I take authority over you! I command fire! Fire! Begin to speak now! Begin to speak now! Begin to speak now!
Yes! You want to know who is responsible?